Okay, so up till now we have studied numpys. Okay, basic Python we have done, and numpys part we have completed. So for today's session we are starting something new, that is pandas, and it would be very beneficial for everyone. Okay, so I hope everyone is enjoying the sessions, and as well as you need to practice for this after the class. Okay, so for pandas, you can create. So yes, today we will be seeing what is pandas. So before understanding what is pandas, let me just give you a quick recap of, do you remember what is dictionaries are? That's great. Yes, yes. So we have seen what is dictionary. For example, dictionary is created using this curly brackets, and in this curly brackets you provide key and values. Yes, set of key value pairs. Like you can give anything here. For example, name, like something name, and associated with that any key. For example, value. Okay. So same way you can write some more keys and some more values in this way. So this creates a basic data frame for you, or you can do simple different things also. Let me show you a good data frame now. uh, that is, for example, d equals to, and I would create a dictionary with the subject name as, okay, so okay, everyone pay attention. I'm creating some dictionary now, that is Marathi. Okay, Marathi is a subject, and I have a list of students who got Marathi marks. Out of 20 they have got 12. Okay, some have got, one have got 15, 17, 15, and 7 marks. Do we need to import pandas? Yes, we need to do that, Arun. I will show you. Okay, so these are Marathi marks. That is five students marks I have. Same way I have marks for now Hindi subject also. So in Hindi, students have got from 20, like for example, yes, 12, 13, 18, 19. Okay, in this way we have got marks. So these are the subjects of 2 marks. These are the two subjects of 5 students. Okay, let's see now how to create a panda. Something I want to ask you. I will stuck something in. Can you just, sure, Ritesh? Okay, we'll do that as well. So you can see that I have created a subject dictionary. You can see I have created a subject Marathi, and in that I have 5 students name, as well as Hindi. In that I have 5 students subject marks. Okay, same way for Marathi as well. Okay, now this is difficult to read here. You will get a very good format. Okay, so for that we have import pandas as pd. Okay, so I've imported pandas in my thing, and see how it converts this dictionary into a data frame object. Okay, so let's see that I have created one variable name of df, and I would use a function pd dot data frame. Okay, and in that I will provide just my dictionary, that is subjects. Okay, so you can see that this code runs successfully. Let's see the data frame now. You can see how good it is looking now. After the dictionary, it is now converted into a data frame. So this is called as pandas data frame. Basically, like you have dictionary, you also have a data frame where it is in a row tabular form, like you have seen in CSVs and Excel file in that format. So you have some initial index, the name of the column which you give. Okay, so I have Marathi here, and I have Hindi here, and as well as the values in this. Okay, great. Let's see the definition now. So this is the introduction and this is the introduction for data frames. Okay, so it is basically used for two purposes. The first and the foremost function of that is, yes, it is used basically for two purposes, that is data manipulation and then data visualization. So what these two terms means are very simple. If you want to change starting from zero index, yes, basically, yes, Ashish, it starts from zero index. Okay, So we have two things that we can do pandas, and while we are doing pandas. Okay, so data manipulation. Now instead of this 15, I want to change it, or if I want to add here new value, or I want to change this complete data frame, I can do that. That is called as data manipulation. Simple, I can do that using data frames. Okay, using pandas. So that's why we are learning this pandas function. Then it is very useful for do data visualization as well. Okay, so these two are the main reasons why we are doing this data frames, that is pandas. Okay, yes. Okay, it is also used to, in today's lecture we will see how to sort a data frame. Like for example, you want the marks of in this, for example you want the marks of top Hindi students, like you want to sort this data frame where 19 should be at the top, okay, then 18, so you want to arrange it in the descending order, so you can do that as well. So that is sorting. Sorting and subsetting. Okay, after that you can create new columns as well. I will show you this as a part as well. Then yes, summary statistics to get the summary of what your data frame look like. Then if you want to do counting or group summary statistics, everything we will see in today's lecture. Okay, so after that it will also show, I will also show you how to do subsetting. So you have seen how to do a subsetting of string, of list, and many other things. Okay, same way you can do subsetting and indexing of pandas data frame as well. That is why it is used. Okay, after this we have, yes, plotting, handling missing data. So this is now also, you can say that a starting of machine learning. So in machine learning you will be needing all these concepts, like if you want to sort a data frame, you want to summarize something, you want to handle some missing values, you want to see visualization. So everything is the first step to learn the ML models. Okay, so here pandas data frame is the first step to understand ML. Okay, so that's why we are taking this in much more depth. Okay, so it is built on NumPy and Matplotlib. So both we have seen in short way. Okay, yes, it looks like something. This is a rectangular data set. Okay, where you have some columns here, then you have rows, particular each row, and each row will corresponding to that column only. So for example, if you want to understand this, it is simply the name is Bela, uh, its breed is Labrador, the color is brown, okay, height, weight, and date of birth. So in this way, this is the data set of all the dogs. So but yes, it is in rectangular data frame. So in this way the objects are created, or in this way the data frame is created using pandas. So same thing we have seen on the screen as well. Just by using a simple function, that is pd.dataframe, you provide it as a dictionary and it will create a data frame object for you. Okay, you can check the type of it as well, like just by using this function, and you can see that it is of data frame type.